Hello everyone, Simon here again from myfirstmagicweb.com. Um, right, this small video I'm making quickly about EUR-USD only, just to show our setup possible today, tomorrow move. Uh, this pair is ranging, standings in a place, small area, and probably this Friday NFP will make it move a little bit better. Okay, but for now, let's take a look what's happening. This is a weekly, this is a monthly chart. You can see this yellow TL. I have it yellow so that I can see the candle size, and I have this TL drawn as a background. You can do this. Let me show it to you for those who don't see the draw object as background. If you don't have it, then this thing hides the candle, the trend line, right? So you don't know how high the candle is, so it's more visual where the candle is. So I just have it in the background. Now you can see this black candle starting, and exactly starting under or touching that 61.8% of this fib, right? 38.31 is that the number, and the highest we did, this is this monthly candle which started April 1st, and the high we made here 38.20, and then now we are 37.67 dropping. This last candle you can see is a gravestone doji. That's what they call it. I don't know why gravestone, but anyway, so this is very good reversal candle. Okay, and this level 61.8%. So let's go and take a look at weekly chart for more clarification. We go here and you can see all this number. This was that black. Let me turn it into yellow so that we are on the same page. Make it bigger, make it in the background. Okay, so now you can see more clear that this current candle, the weekly candle, barely started under the trend line, and it is under now. This big line here, this is the area 39.69. Last week or the week before that, I told you that watch out for this number for a reversal, right? So that's where we went up there, 39.69, and then start dropping back down. Below we have this 37.10, then 36.64. Okay, it's not showing here. So let's go on daily chart, see what happened. These are the number I have drawn here. 39.69, we start coming off from there after my tweet last week. Okay, and then 38.36 is what holding it as a top ceiling. Now it's dropped straight down, like I said last week, and it dropped to 37.10 and bounce. Okay, that was perfectly okay. I mentioned that we might gonna get bounced 37.10 in my last video in the webinar. We bounced, and now we are holding below 38.36. So, and if this hold, and which it is, we are going back down again. So the number between these two is, this is a 4-hour chart, more clear picture. This whole big move, 68% comes right here. A, B, C is B is equal to CD pattern. 100% is coming exactly in that same location. This these two low parallel putting here, then the channel is coming here, as well as this high here we made 38.24. So we went up there, monthly pivot and all that, stopped it, and we are dropping. We are dropping, and we are trying to break this 37.70 number, which is this number here, this high here. Okay, so if we break this 37.70, which it looks like that we are going down, then last time we bounced from 37.10, so this time we may get a little bounce, but we're gonna break it and then go down to this number here. And I somehow disappeared that number. Where did it go? I had it here. Oh, I moved it here, and then this is 36.64 here. Okay, so I think, and last week video, remember 36, my target was 36.64, but we bounced from 37.10, and we went up there, right? So that was perfectly fine, but this time I think we're gonna get it. All right. Uh, if we get it before today, and within today and tomorrow, that's fine. But NFP, I don't count anything, because NFP, God knows what's going to happen. We may drop all the way down or bounce and then go back to 39.69. Okay, time will tell. But hopefully today, between today and tomorrow, I think we're going to get at least to 37.10. So let's see what happens. Okay. So this is a 4-hour chart, and we are breaking 37.10. Let's go back on. This is the last week high and low and the mid, right? Remember how I teach you to put this pitchfork on a 4-hour chart, and then, have it so you can see that what's the last week high and low. Let me just make sure if I have done it right. Okay, this is the current week, so this is the last week high, last week low. We are below the middle of the last week, so we are doing fine as we are moving down. Yesterday in the webinar, somebody asked me that, can I go long? And that's what I said, that, you don't want to go long right in the trend line, into the trend line, sloping trend line. May drop, and it is dropping now. So this trend line, backside of it, holding, but this white line is 37.10. Let's go and see on a magic wave template, which is this one. This is how it is. So I made a small entry after this nice, beautiful, these two. Look at this. This is what I'm talking about. When I see it, I take it quickly, but 5-minute setups are not that, if I can make the chart and send out this and that. And that happened so many pairs. This one I happened to see. Immediately I reacted. This is what everybody else needs to do. Maybe you have, I think I have also an USD franc and USD, Aussie cable. A lot of them probably made this setup. So which, depend on which pair you're trading. And if you have it open, the charts 5-minute and 15-minute, when there is no news time, then you have 5 and 15-minute more often the setups. But if you have newsies and this and that coming in a fast move, in the air, then open a 1-minute chart as well. So if you don't want to miss the move, because if there's a big news comes in and there is a fast move going on, you started, then you might not see a 5-minute setup or 15-minute. So you have to take it from 1 minute. But like right now, no news, nothing, it's calm and quiet. Then you can see how nicely, this is the EMA stack. If you remember, if you don't, some of you may not have, recently joined it. So go back on my website and see a video about EMA stack. These are the 4 EMA stack, 5-minute, 15-minute, 30-minute, and a 1 hour. This red line is 1 hour, 200 EMA, 30-minute. White is 30-minute, blue is 15-minute, and this black is. So when the turn is to be made, the price nicely comes and crosses and goes the other side of these and give you the setup. Simple as that. We got the setups. We're moving down. 37.70 is broken. We see how nicely it came and it tested, and then now dropping. So 37.10 and then 36.64 is the target for for now. Let's see what happened. I'm going to close it so you can take advantage of this move. If not, then it's going to be too late. Okay. So thanks for watching. Have a great day.